So welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today is we're going to make some fruit leather from all the blueberries that we picked over the whole summer. I got like 50 plus pounds, and each one of these bags that we vacuum sealed and froze holds a pound. So we're going to do a 2-pound recipe. Really simple. Make yourself some fruit leather or fruit roll-ups. So if you have a food processor or anything like that, that'll go ahead and make your job a lot easier. Or you can use a hand one like I'm going to do. And you simply want to take whatever you're using, whether it's blueberries, strawberries, whatever, and puree them as much as possible. So we'll open these up, get them in here, and we'll start doing that. And if there was a lot of liquid, you go ahead and drain that off. Another optional step that we definitely like to do here, because we have it, is add honey to it. And for 1 pound, we add 1 tablespoon of honey. So we have 2 pounds, so we'll do 2 tablespoons of honey with this. And also optional, lemon juice. You could do fresh or from the bottle like this, 1 teaspoon per pound. Oh yeah, delicious honey. Nothing better than honey and blueberries. Now we can go ahead and start pureeing it up. Alright, so once it's pureed up, go ahead and get your trays. I'm using silicone, and we're going to go ahead and put these in the dehydrator. You want to spread it thin. I mean, if you go thick with it, it's just going to take that much longer for it to dry before you can get your fruit leather. Alright, so there's one done. We'll get the other one in there. Alright. As you can tell, we're doing honey as well, but let's go ahead and get this last one in there. And like I said, depending on the thickness, that'll determine how long it'll take. So we're going to set it at 6 hours at 167. Alright, so it's been 4 hours, and we're just checking on them, and I think they're actually done now. So, you want to check them for tackiness, sticky. I think these are actually perfect because they're not sticky, not wet. And I took one out. So the best way to make sure is to actually cut some off and taste it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cool. These are from our farm fresh blueberries. A little bit of our honey. That's so cool. So, the way we like to wrap these, so get some wax paper and make it a little bit bigger than your fruit roll up there. And we'll go ahead and put this on here like this. I like to make mine like fruit by the foot. So we'll take this and we'll roll it. There we go. We can trim the excess off. And let's cut it into roughly equal parts. So we'll have it first. Alright, how cool is that? Alright, taste test time. Alright, Mr. Handsome. Oh, you already grabbed one. That's real blueberry fruit by the foot. Alright, ready to try it? All right. So cool.
Oh my God.
All right. You want that one?
I would eat that. Yeah.
All right. So we're all set here. Quick, easy recipe on how to make fruit leather, fruit by the foot, fruit roll-ups, whatever you want to call them. Really simple and easy to make. Alright, so there it is. Fresh, homemade, all natural blueberry fruit leather or fruit roll-ups or fruit by the foot, whatever you want to call them. They're good. So make sure to check out our videos and everything else we do with blueberries and here on the farm and all of our stuff. And once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe. Looks good, doesn't it? And we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.